lunch and dinner. I always experience in the brasserie, in buffet. I'm so enjoying to eat lunch. Oh, almost forgot I have to fold this shirt. I have to fold this. Maybe I will wear it tomorrow. Okay. All right. For Paulo Cruzada, anyway, I don't want to talk about this. I don't want to criticize his parents. He has to demand to apologize to Teacher May. Me, when I say before, Paulo Cruzada, when I treat Teacher May Tiburcio, it's my enemy list. Oh, I apologize Teacher May sincerely. Or me, when I apologize sincerely, I learn how to be good. Paulo Cruzada, you have to be good also. Even you, Mark Cruz, both of you, be good. I've never want to be a bad influence. I always good with Kuya Rodelio Daguman. I always good to be good friends to everybody. I say to Paulo Cruzada and Mark Cruz, here is my criticism against both of you. Don't be such a Zionist bad influence. Don't be a bad influence. Like, for example, when you criticize me, when you criticize Eliza De La Cruz, what will be happen to both of you? Oh, like Mark Cruz, he said about F word. F word that Hezbollah, even Hamas, and you use the word the asshole word. That's really a swearing words. That is really a bad word. Mark Cruz, you should apologize Eliza De La Cruz. And you, Paulo Cruzada, you should apologize to Teacher May. Don't be such death threats like you're saying about ISIS, you're saying about uh, promoting terrorism, just like what happened in Bondi Beach, and you threatened to hostage Teacher May last year, even last 2024. For Paulo Cruzada, make a public apology to Teacher May. Me, for example, unlike me, when I treat an enemy with Teacher Jessa Fernandez, I learn how to apologize Teacher Jessa. Oh, I reconcile with Teacher Jessa since 2024. I reconcile Kuya Rodelio Daguman. Oh, that is better for both of you, Paulo Cruzada and Mark Cruz. Both of you should change yourselves. It's not really good to make cyberbullying, if you say bad words, if you say attacking, like you're saying about, like Paulo Cruzada said, so ako ang ISIS ng bayan, oh. And Mark Cruz said about America F word, yeah, oh, that was heard from requests from Carl Vilus to attacking me, oh, it's not really good. For both of them, they should learn how to change themselves. Even Juan Carlo Pabale, he has to change himself. This is hard to learn how to change themselves. Oh, like for Mark Cruz, here's my lesson. Oh, when there is a neutrality between the war between Iran and Israel, we have to be neutrality. Mark Cruz, J-Rick said so. Neutrality. Oh, don't create any such a group chat like Western allies, Carl Vilus, colonization forces against what is it, Hezbollah or even Iran to fight against Iran. It's not really good. Don't you think if Carl Vilus is like Donald Trump and Mark Domingo Cruz is just like Benjamin Netanyahu, What will be happen? It will be World War III if you create group chats in Messenger. Even in Facebook, it's not really good. Oh, this is hard to say to Mark Cruz. Oh, when there is playing, like for example, Mark Cruz said, Modern Warfare. Oh, you insist Christian Mingito to marry the, who's it, the K-pop. How would you able to Christian Mingito that he knows about who is it, Jenny Kim, who was in Blackpink in South Korea. And Jenny Kim is, she doesn't know Christian Mingito. Like I said, hindi niya kilala yon, Mark Cruz. You know, hindi niya kilala ni Christian Mingito yan. Like, he doesn't know. For Mark Cruz anyway, oh, Christian Mingito had said he doesn't know Jenny Kim. The only is focusing anyway in his born-again Christian, just like Wawel. And he's not focusing on K-pop. The Blackpink anyway, I just said to Mark Cruz, oh, when Jerry Silva says, it's never exists, the Blackpink. Even the Momoland, it never exists. They just finished their contracts. Like Lisa Manoban, Nancy McDonney, oh, Jenny Kim, who's performing with Bruno Mars, like the songs in new songs in 2024, like like I said, you know Mark Cruz. Enough about K-pop stuff. You know, this is really humiliating and this is really embarrassing. Especially to Paulo Cruzada. This is really embarrassing, you attacking Teacher May. Oh, for you, Paulo Cruzada, do not attack Teacher May. Because Teacher May, I say again, oh, you hear what I'm saying, Paulo Cruzada. Teacher May was also retired. When I talked to my good friend, Clarence Beredo, oh, when I talked to Clarence Beredo in Messenger, I speak him in Tagalog or English, and I said to him, retired na nga po si Teacher May, hindi na siya natuturo sa CDIFI. That's what I just said. Teacher May, I say again, Paulo Cruzada, she's already retired. She's retired already. You know, when I talk with Clarence Beredo, oh, Teacher May is already retired. Why she's retired? She's retired. She's currently retirement. Oh, she is 53 years old. She's older than Ate Mirasol. Oh, 1972, August 26. Oh, that was her birthday and that was her birth. And I say again, Paulo Cruzada, over the few years, you need to apologize to Teacher May. Humingi ka ng dispensa kay Teacher May. You know, you need to apologize. You need to apologize to Teacher May. Do not attack Teacher May because, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you don't even know where was Teacher May's house was living. Oh, you don't know where is she's living. If she's living, you don't know where does she lives. Oh, if I'm saying to you, in the first place, you should never attack Teacher May, then you need to learn how to apologize to her. Because I know, I've been reconciled with Teacher May. Thanks to Kuya Ver. Oh, For you, Paulo Cruzada, learn how to be good. Learn how to be honest. Don't be such manipulative.